How to fix Instagram account restricted. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Instagram. Open Instagram like this, scroll down the screen and go to storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data and click OK. And then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And now go to this option here. Just be careful, set as a default. You have to turn off it like this. Now go and restart your phone. After restarting your phone, go and check your Instagram if it is updated or not, and that's it, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.